So as we remove this, now you can able to hold this up and you can easily remove the stuck filament. So you can use the plier or simply pull it and then initially check with your new filament whether it is coming out or not. So this way you can check the way is clear for the new filament or not, and you can remove the stuck filament. Now again you can reinstall. While reinstalling, make sure that you do not make too much force over this, otherwise chances are that this nozzle will hit this build plate. So to avoid that, you can keep your z axis on upward direction. After lifting z axis, I will stop the machine so it will be easy for pressing. So by lifting you will have enough room for holding the nozzle. So it is little bit hard, you just have to press and finally it will be as per the original position. Okay, that's it. So previous filament was transparent filament and the new filament inserted is white filament. Let's see whether it is coming out. Yes, so it is white color is now coming out. It means our new filament is successfully inserted and the stuck transparent filament is removed.